In this video, you will learn about some of the most useful PHP array functions, specifically focusing on how to merge and slice arrays. We will cover array_merge, array_slice, and array_splice. These functions are essential for manipulating and managing data within arrays, a fundamental data structure in PHP. The array_merge function is used to combine multiple arrays into a single array. It takes any number of arrays as arguments and returns a new array containing all the elements of the input arrays. If the input arrays have string keys, then the later value for that key will overwrite the previous one. If the arrays contain numeric keys, the later value will not replace the original value, but will be appended. Let's look at an example. Here we have $array1 containing the elements of B and C, and $array2 containing D, E, and F. When we use array_merge to combine these two arrays, the result is a new array containing A, B, C, D, E, and F. When using array_merge with associative arrays, if duplicate keys are encountered, the keys from the later arrays will overwrite the values from the earlier arrays. In this example, we have $user1 with the keys name and age, and $user2 with the keys age and city. Notice that both arrays have the age key, but with different values. When these arrays are merged, the age value from $user2, which is 30, overwrites the age value from $user1, which is 25. The resulting array, $merged, contains name with the value John, age with the value 30, and city with the value Paris. The array_slice function extracts a portion, or a slice of an array. This function takes the original array, an offset, and a length as parameters. It returns a new array containing the elements from the offset up to the specified length. The original array remains unchanged. For example, consider an array called $fruits containing apple, banana, orange, grape, and kiwi. Using array_slice with an offset of 1 and a length of 3 extracts 3 elements starting from the second element, resulting in a new array containing banana, orange, and grape. Let's take a closer look at the parameters of the array_slice function. The first parameter is the offset, which determines the starting position of the slice. The offset can be a non-negative or negative number, depending on the index you would like the new array to start at. The second parameter is the length, which specifies the number of elements to extract. The third parameter is preserve_keys. This is an optional Boolean parameter that defines whether to preserve or reset the array indexes. Here's the syntax for array_slice. It takes the array, the offset, the length, and optionally, a Boolean value to preserve the keys. The array_splice function removes and replaces elements in an array. Unlike array_slice, array_splice modifies the original array. It can remove a portion of the array and optionally replace it with new elements. The function returns an array containing the elements that were removed. For instance, suppose we have a $colors array containing red, green, blue, and yellow. If we use array_splice to remove 2 elements starting from index 1 and replace them with orange and purple, the $colors array is modified to contain red, orange, purple, and yellow. The $removed array will contain green and blue, which were the elements that were removed from the $colors array. Let's highlight the key differences between array_splice and array_slice. The array_slice function returns a copy of a portion of the array, leaving the original array unchanged. On the other hand, array_splice modifies the original array by removing and/or replacing elements. Additionally, array_splice returns the removed elements as a new array. In summary, array_merge combines multiple arrays into one. Array_slice extracts a portion of an array without modifying the original, and array_splice removes and replaces elements in the original array. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.